Hey guys, I'm going to show you real quick, short video, how to grow Swiss chard. Easy peasy. Okay, first, it's a cool season plant, which means you can plant it in the spring or the fall, but Swiss chard actually does well in the summer too. It's slow to bolt, which means you can still be eating greens for your salads in the summer. Second is the soil needs. It likes a pH of 6.0 to 6.8. This was prepared with some fine pine bark, some cow manure, and then some 10-10-10. Third, sunshine. It can do all three. It can be in shade, partial shade, or full sun. This is a sunny spot. If it were on the back side over there, that's the east side, it would be partial shade. But really, all green leafy things can do good in shade or partial shade. This one's just getting full sun. Fourth, it likes even water, as most plants do. Not too wet, not too dry. Fifth, companion plants. Actually, there's examples right here. That's radish. That's a Cherokee tomato. That's a cabbage. And off to the back there is lettuce. And cabbage, lettuce, another Swiss chard with a cabbage, more lettuce, etc. Now the lettuce will play out when it starts warming up. This is spring season, but the Swiss chard will hang in there. It's going to get big. Which brings us to 6. When they get 6 inches, the leaves get 6 inches, you can start your harvest. This actually could be harvested, but you don't really want to start it before the last frost. It's 50-50 in this case, but we're going to let it go for 2 more weeks. But you want to stay on it once you start harvesting the leaves. It'll keep producing, and it will keep it off of surrounding plants. And in this case, that would be this Cherokee tomato, which is going to grow up soon. So that's it. Make sure your soil's 6.0 to 6.8, got a sunny spot, even water, get some companion plants going around. And when you start harvesting, keep harvesting. When the leaves get about 6 inches, and you'll keep it under control, and it will still keep producing. I told you that was quick. Don't forget to sub, hit the notifications, leave some comments, and look at the comments. You can help others. You don't have to ask me a question. If somebody else has a question down there, answer their question. It's a discussion board. Let's discuss. Happy gardening.